Hello guys, what's up? This is Amit Mahajan. I hope that you are doing absolutely well. So guys, today I'm really very excited to make this announcement. Sir, which announcement? As you can see here, I'm launching my practice batch for indirect taxes, which will be in 100% English. Now, when I introduced this concept of practice batch back in 2022, I always had this thing in my mind that, language should not be the barrier to learn anything. And but unfortunately, I could not take out time specifically for recording 100% English batch. But yes, today here we are, and I'm launching my 100% English batch for indirect taxes, which will be a practice batch. Now, sir, what about the direct tax? So, for the time being, I'm introducing GST. If I get time, I will launch for direct tax as well. But right now, I don't have any bandwidth for direct tax. But yes, we are here for indirect taxes at least. So I will tell you everything about this batch, what we are going to do, what should be our approach, and what are the things which we are going to cover, what are the things which you are going to get in this batch. First of all, if you are new to this channel, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, and it's a request from my end. Since this is my first 100% English batch, I'm just requesting you that please share this video with all your friends, so that at least they will consider my videos, and if they are convinced, then they can definitely enroll for it. But yes, now we will start with the video. See, first of all, I'll tell you what is this practice batch. If you have not yet heard about this practice batch is a combination of concepts plus questions plus homework questions plus in class questions plus tests plus Zoom sessions. Basically, it's a full package where you will get 100% concept coverage. First of all, once we'll start the sessions, first of all, we'll cover all the concepts. 100% coverage will be there. After that, once everybody is on the same page, I will move ahead with the questions, and we will solve a lot of questions. We'll solve all the types of questions which you have in your syllabus. I will also give some questions to solve in the class itself with a timer, and also I will also ask you to solve certain questions as homework. And this is very important, because if I solve everything in the lecture itself, you will not understand where you are going wrong, where you are getting stuck. So this is a very well thought and very well structured batch, where you'll get concept coverage, then questions, and after that I will also take approximately 5 to 6 tests in this particular practice. Sir, how many lectures will be there in this practice batch? So total, I'm going to conduct 19 lectures, and in these 19 lectures, your entire GST will be done. And if you are in CMA, two more lectures for customs, then you will, and one more lecture for additional concepts of GST. So three more lectures. So 21 lectures for CMA inter and 19 lectures for CA inter. Right. So what is the bifurcation like for every chapter? How many days I'm going to put? Just have a look here. Estimated number of days which I've identified here as for introduction, like the basics of GST. This is your index. For basics of GST, I will have one lecture. Supply, two lectures. Charge, two lectures. Time of supply, one lecture. Value of supply, one lecture. Exemption, two lectures. So basically, if you add all these numbers, you will get this number of 90. And of course, 19, it can become 20 as well. But roughly, I can say that within 19 lectures, we will be able to complete entire GST along with concepts, along with questions. Right? Okay, I'll get back to that. Okay, so it will be 100% English, it will be indirect taxes, it will not be regular batch, it will be practice batch. But yes, I can tell you one thing, in GST at least, if you have ever learned GST once, if you know the basics of GST, still you can enroll for this batch. I will make sure that GST will become your favorite subject. Right? Perfect. Time. Next. So what is going to be the mode? Mode is going to be 100% recorded. Now, what is the meaning of recorded? Have I recorded this 1 year back or 2 year back, 2 years back? No, I'm recording this after this video. Also, I'm going to record. So basically, it will be freshly recorded lectures. And all the lectures, the access for the lectures you will get from 20th of June. So at least my 50% of the recordings I will be done by 20th of June, so that you can proceed with the recordings. And I will every day I will keep posting videos for the chapters. Right. So freshly recorded mode is freshly recorded. What are the books which will be included? So basically, I'm going to give you three books in this particular practice batch. Number one, you will get one concept book, which I will call it a rapider. So within 150 pages, you will be able to cover entire GST within this 150 pages. Second one is question bank. In this question bank, you will get all the types of questions, and beyond this, you don't need to study anything else beyond this question bank. Perfect. Okay. And the third part is pocketbook, and pocketbook is a special book which I give to the students, where in 50 pages I sum up the entire GST. So on the last day, you just need to read this book. And even if you see any of the revision videos, which I have already posted on my YouTube channel, you will see that I have used this pocket. Perfect. As I said, that recordings will be available from 20th of June 25. And I will ask you one thing. If you understand Hindi a bit, please watch my demo lectures. Of course, for this batch as well, I will post my demo lectures, 3 to 4 demo lectures I will post. So you can take a call accordingly. But I can tell you, and I can give you that assurance that, you will get utmost comfort in this particular subject. Just trust me once. And as I always say, trust me now and thank me later. So just trust me once in this. And as I said, that if you understand little bit of Hindi, please go on my YouTube channel, watch some demo lectures. You will understand the level of depth which we go into, and the level of questions which we do, how we do the question. So in this batch, I will also tell you all, and also teach you how to read the question, how to write the answers, then how much to write the answers, how to write the working notes. Every damn thing I will be explaining you in this particular batch. Perfect. And also, please read the comments as well, so that you will get a fair idea that, whether are you taking a right decision or no. Sir, how to enroll for this batch? So you can, if you have any queries, you can definitely ask in the comment section as well, or you can just call on 8283848506 on our helpline number. And if you have decided that, and if you are convinced that, this person can help me getting an exemption in taxation, at least good marks in GST, then in that case, please do consider enrolling from www.bbvirtuals.com. You can find one specific product for IDT practice batch in English. Right? So, as I said, from 20th, you're going to get the lectures. Once you will enroll, we will start dispatching the books. Books are ready within 1 or 2 days. We will start dispatching the books. So, if you have not yet decided, or if you are confused about GST, please do consider this batch, and let's crack this GST in the most beautiful manner. As I said, trust me now and thank me later. That's for today. That's it for today. This is Amit Mahajan. I will see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye. See you and take care. Bye bye.